Hello peoples, welcome back to another video. Today I am unboxing another box from Speed Cube Shop. So, I ordered some stuff. I'm not gonna, no spoilers. So, blocked out everything. So y'all don't know where I live. Open this up. Of course, I get 2-day shipping, but they don't ship in 2 days. So, bump my camera. Sorry if you can hear someone mowing the lawn in the background. So, I know it's been a while, but I've been busy. School just started back up. I had stuff to do over the summer, I went on vacation for the last week of the summer. That was fun. I'm not gonna tell you where I went, because I don't want to tell you. Hopefully I don't cut anything in here. You might have already been able to see what I got. Enough shopping. It's hard to do with a camera in front of my face too, though. Probably definitely see what I got now. There we go. You can read it, you can see it. See all this. So, gotta get rid of that package. Sorry about the lawnmower again. So I'm gonna leave this over here for the end. Got this stuff. You see this? Yeah, read that. And I got this. Got this too. Here, can you guys read that? That's Martian lube. Want to see how it compares to my lunar and solar up there. So we're gonna start off with the Martian lube. I'm probably going to be doing a full review on this, and I'm going to be putting in my Scan 356X, which is the other unboxing that I did. So it's nice green color. Looks like celery. Oofta. So, yeah, looking good. Hopefully. Yeah, I'll do a full review on that later. But let's get into the nice cube. I should probably open the letter before that because the letter, I'm pretty sure. I'm not gonna open the letter because I'm pretty sure that has my address on it. Just gonna read it off to you behind the camera. To me, got my Speed Cube Shop business card. A little bent, but it's all fine. Professional setup service for the Valk 4M, because we all know I can't set up 4x4s. Martian lube 3cc. Discount, you guys gotta use discount code JPROM. Don't use that once you should always use discount code JPROM unless some time in the, distant future, like 2028 or something like that, there's a discount code Skeletron. Then you gotta use Skeletron. So, $50 unboxing. My order was completed by Alex, fulfilled by Bruce. Thank you guys over at Speed Cube Shop for setting up my 4x4 because we all know I cannot. So, of course, I'll probably do a review on this. Sorry if I have Sharpie on my hand. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Looks take the cube out first. Looks like we have some extra springs in there. I think that's it. Put them here. We're gonna start off with this because, you know, gotta save best for last. Open this up. Okay, of course we got the cloth for it. Got that one with my birthday cube, the Valk 5. Got some nice pictures of the Valk 4. Of course I got the stronger magnets because I love stronger magnets in my cube. I'll show you guys in a video. So nice. Of course you got max Valk there. I'll show you guys how I set up my 356X with the stronger magnets, and I'll find out what lube I use once I get some Martian in there, and I'll figure out what I want to use. Of course, you can sort of see, let me see if I can, yeah, you can see it says Valk on there. But let's get into the cube. Sorry if you're my sister yelling, you know, it's her first time on Roblox. Oh yeah. Let's just set these other springs. Put them through the golden ones. Oh, this feels like my Valk 5M already. I can already tell this is gonna be nice. Is this an updated Speed Cube Shop sticker? Let me compare this to my... Oh, it just doesn't say Speed Cube Shop under it. Yeah, that's why it looks off to me. And yes, I have a square one. So let's get into first turns on this. Ooh, that's really gummy. Oh god. Of course, it'll probably break in over time. Gonna have to break this in, but right now this is really gummy. But it's really nice. I like it. Shades. I'm gonna compare it to my, where's my 356X? Of course, they're probably the same as the 5x5. Let's compare sizes. How big is this cube? This cube is about 40 bucks, I think, on speedcubeshop.com. Don't know if you guys can see.